you can cook. And today you are going to make my Iron Falcon protein bars. These protein bars are named after the baseball team at the high school I used to work at. And the guys on the team challenged me to make them a healthier protein bar. I probably got tired of eating the manufactured one. So working with some different ingredients, I've come up with a recipe, and from my best calculations, these have about 19 grams of protein per serving, maybe a little bit more, and also only about 140 calories per serving. So that's not too bad. And so it's a good type of energy, not getting from sugar, but mostly from the protein that's available in the bars. Well, I've got your attention. Everyone, please like, share, and subscribe. We love getting new subscribers, and we love getting new viewers. So please join us there. Also, check us out on our Facebook group, named Heck Yeah You Can Cook. And using that name, you can find us on Instagram and TikTok, and also on Pinterest. So today, with the tools you're going to need a stand mixer or a very, very good hand mixer with a cookie paddle. I use a cookie paddle for this. Very important. The other instruments won't work very well with that. I have got some parchment paper I've cut to fit my 8x8 baking dish. So you're going to need, this is to help you remove it to let it cool later on. So it's kind of important to have that. It also helps hold the protein bars together as you pull them out. Of course, you need a pair of scissors to cut the paper. You're going to need some oven mitts and a cooling rack to get this out with. We'll be having those in just a little bit. The ingredients for today, you'll need 1 cup of natural, because you want the peanut oil, natural chunky peanut butter. So this is 1 cup here. I've got 1/3 a cup of dates. All right, these are the chopped ones you find in the bag of the store. I've got 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I've got 1/2 a teaspoon of nutmeg. I've got 1/3 a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips right here. Okay, 1/3 a cup of the sugar-free one. I have got 1/3 a cup, and I take my sliced almonds and I put them in the blender and grind them up, whatever grinder you have for that. I also have 1/3 a cup of flaxseed. Now this is flaxseed powder. You can also use flaxseed flour, which is not too much of a difference between the two. And this will add some more protein to the dish as well. I have got 3/4 of a cup, that's 3/4 of a cup of the Truvia Cane sugar blend for baking. So it's basically 1/3 of the sugar, a little bit less, and most of it is stevia. And that makes it have enough sweet to satisfy but not add a whole lot of calories to the dish. All right, we're going to move the camera here, show you how we put this together in the stand mixer, how we put it in the pan. Very important right now, while that is going on, you preheat your oven to 350 degrees on the bake setting. That's 350 degrees on the bake setting. Okay, everyone, you see we have the stand mixer in place. So what we're going to do is we're just going to basically add all the ingredients. Now, I forgot to mention your free tools. Let me some oven mitts, okay? And I'm using a trivet plate or any type of cooling rack that you want to use. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our peanut butter. I will say the hardest thing about this recipe is getting all that peanut butter into this measuring cup. And we just basically add everything in. I like to put the sugar on top of the peanut butter and make sure they integrate. Start adding all the ingredients right in there. Because we're using the cookie paddle, this will integrate very quickly. Put on your cookie paddle. And I stir at level 1. You're going to do this until a nice kind of dough ball forms. Remove the bowl from the mixer. And then you're going to just push this together, form into a ball. Bring over your prepared dish, and we're going to push this ball into the dish. Right on top of the parchment paper. Heck yeah. I'm going to push the paper around, try to get them as evenly distributed as possible. Now we're going to set this in the oven for about 20 minutes. Our bars have finished. We're going to let that cool. We're going to come back in about 30 minutes and then we're going to cut it. It's very important that you allow it to cool at this point in time because you want it to be able to cut through. Right now it's in a crumble phase if you started throwing a knife through it right now. So let it cool thoroughly for 30 minutes and then come back and we'll cut it into bars and we'll show our final product. We've allowed our bars to cool for 30 minutes. This time I take them, see they're still in the parchment paper. You lift the parchment paper out, put it down, and then you can cut your bars. Got a natural break there, we'll use that. There you go, everybody. Got our bars, just cut these in. Set them on a plate. And then I like to store these in individual baggies. Then the team can have their own little prepackaged snack ready to go for those games. These are my Iron Falcon protein bars. Hope everybody enjoys. I'm going to sneak another one. Everyone have a great day.